It's time for the White Room Quiz Rock Rapper. We're going to be saying the talk to them about my social security, new close up, my staff, and then the lightning round is over. Are you ready? Skeet, that's on the White Room Quiz. Everybody, we're going to start with Allie in New York. Allie.
Booyah, Joe.
Booyah.
Booyah. I own Applovin. I'm up, and I'm wondering if I can buy more here, if I should hold.
No, I don't want you to buy more. As a matter of fact, it's up 50%. Let's take a little off the table just to be prudent. It's a monster stock, and it's very well run, but a little off the table would certainly make me feel better. How about Gary in Alabama? Gary.
Hey, Jim, I understand regional banks are doing well these days. What do you think about Ameris Bank Corporation?
Very good regional. I think you're absolutely, you read the market very well, and I'm not going to recommend anything other than owning bank stocks. Let's go to Jesse in Rhode Island. Jesse.
Hello, Jim. Can you hear me, brother?
You sound fantastic, Jesse. How about me?
Booyah, man. First-time caller. I'm a young engineering student and investor at WPI. My inquiry is a clinical-stage biotech company. Stock analysts report as a moderate buy, having outperformed the S&P by 60%. Jim, what is your humble opinion on FDMT, 4D Molecular Therapeutics?
Okay, here's the way we're going to approach this. This is a pure spec, okay? I mean, total spec, $300 million company, up 10%. I say you own it, but count it as part of your speculative part of your portfolio and no more than that. Let's go to Jeremy in Florida. Jeremy.
Booyah! Big Boca Raton, booyah!
I like your you obviously had a great weekend. What's going on?
Yes, sir. Long-time listener, first-time caller. I've been listening in since the Kudlow and Cramer days. That's how long it's been.
Oh, come on, man. That is ridiculous. No one's over 105 who watches this show.
So first off, thanks for the great advice. I'm a teacher, and I pass it along to my 8th grade students, and you make me look like a genius. Thank you, sir.
Well, I thank you for teaching, okay? Thank you for teaching. We don't have enough great teachers. How can I help?
I appreciate it. My interest tonight is SITM, side time. Is it buy, sell, or hold? What's your advice?
You know, this is just a very good company, and it's going to have a big earnings. It's going to have a big earnings turn. It's just now, is it cats and dogs? It's all the stuff that goes into just the regular mobile phones, which I think are making a comeback. Okay, I know I'm alone on that, but maybe I should say you're with me. Let's go to Peter in New York. Peter.
What's up, Slim Jim? Big booyah to you.
Thank you for that. Thank you for this from this 31 waist guy.
I'm calling about the darlings of Arlington, the biggest, baddest home builders in the U.S. of A. Give me your thoughts on D.R. Horton.
I like D.R. Horton. I see your D.R. Horton, and I raise you with Toll Brothers. Let's go to Doug in Louisiana. Doug.
Hey, Jim, first-time caller. Enjoy your
Number
show.
one. God, fantastic to be on the show.
I'm looking for a stock that might be immune to tariffs.
Okay.
And is generating consistent income. I saw a company that advertises, has been in business for a long time, and I wanted to get your thoughts on Lamar.
Typically, I would not recommend an advertising stock. This does have a 5% yield. They're very clever guys, and it's not a high multiple stock. It's not my favorite. I think advertising is not a good business, but that is the best of the lot. So there you go. And that, ladies and gentlemen, conclusion of the Lightning Round.
The Lightning Round is sponsored by Charles Schwab. Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on X. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadMentions. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.